So, another problem with my Peugeot 308 to investigate. Recently my AC system stopped cooling, it's just blowing warm air. I actually don't usually like playing with the AC system, so I thought I'd take it to a Peugeot specialist, and he told me the system had gas in it but needed a new compressor at the cost of about $1,500, so that didn't sound right for a car with only 118,000 Ks. So took the car back home and thought I'd spend a bit of time investigating, at least to verify that the compressor was the problem. Now, just to be aware, there's two different AC compressor types, those with a clutch, and then you've got the variable displacement type compressors, which are clutchless. So they're always engaged, and they're controlled through a solenoid with a pulse width modulation signal, and that comes from a high side driver in the BSM in the 308. So my 308's fitted with a variable displacement type. So first of all, I wanted to confirm that there was gas in the system. On the 308, there's a 3-pin AC pressure sensor on the high pressure side of the compressor. This is able to measure both low pressure before the pump is engaged and the high pressure once it's running. Looking from the left, the pinout is 5V, signal and ground. Measuring approximately 0.9 volts seems to represent a low pressure value within the normal range. My wife's C4 measures around 0.85 volt on a working AC system. So if you see 0 volt on this pin, could be the sensor has failed or there's no pressure in the system, and this will prevent the compressor from coming on. So knowing there was pressure in the system, I wanted to confirm that the BSM was sending power to the compressor. This can be checked at the BSM. The AC compressor is powered from pins 4 and 5 on the yellow connector. Pin 4 is the high side driver output and pin 5 is ground. With the compressor connected, I measured both 0 volt at pin 4 and 5. If I disconnected the compressor, pin 4 would show approximately 4 volt. So this is just a leakage current of the high side driver or FET inside the BSM powering the solenoid. So this confirmed to me that the circuit was okay, however the BSI or the engine ECU was not allowing the compressor to turn on. I also measured the compressor's solenoid resistance. This was around 11 ohms. So it was certainly not a problem with the solenoid and not a problem with the drive circuit. To confirm the AC system was working, I disconnected the connector at the compressor and powered the two pins from a benchtop power supply. The system immediately kicked in, the cooling was effective. So in my opinion, there was no issue with the AC system. The issue was somewhere with the engine management or with the BSI. So with my standard scan tool, there were no errors or DTCs flagged. However, through another scan tool, I managed to find one on the engine ECU, and that was a permanent fault relating to the thermostat control. So clearing this fault, got the air conditioning running again, but the fault came back. So I've got a problem with the thermostat, or perhaps even the engine ECU. So make sure you do a deep scan of all your ECUs, and there may be some underlying issue that is preventing your AC from switching on. Okay, I hope there's some useful information in here for you if you're debugging a similar problem on your Peugeot or Citroen. And good luck. Thanks for watching.